Yo, what's up, future YouTubers? Starting a channel in 2024? Dude, that's awesome. With millions of videos going up every day, finding the perfect niche to blow up can feel impossible. But chill, we got you. We're about to drop the hottest trends to skyrocket your channel from day one. All right, first up we got AI and tech. This stuff is straight up changing the game and everyone wants in on the action. Think about it, self-driving cars, phones that recognize your face, robots that can do your chores. Okay, maybe not that last one yet, but you get the point. People are craving info on this stuff, and that's where you come in. Imagine this, you start a channel dedicated to explaining AI in a way that's actually fun and easy to understand. No more boring lectures, just straight-up knowledge bombs with a side of humor. You could do tutorials on how to use the latest AI tools, review mind-blowing gadgets, or even debate the ethics of artificial intelligence. Trust me, that's a conversation starter. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to crush it. Just be passionate, be yourself, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Try out new apps, build something cool with AI, or even just share your honest thoughts on the latest tech news. Authenticity is key, my friend. Now let's talk about the content goldmine within AI gaming. This industry is exploding faster than a supernova, and AI is right there in the mix. Imagine creating videos where you pit your skills against insane AI opponents, break down the tech behind your favorite games, or even use AI to create your own levels. The possibilities are literally endless. You could even dive into the world of esports and analyze how AI is changing the game for pro players. Trust me, gamers are hungry for this kind of content, and you could be the one to feed that hunger. But wait, there's more. Don't forget about the power of community. Get people talking in the comments, respond to their questions, and even collaborate with other creators in the AI and tech space. The more engaged your audience is, the more YouTube's algorithm will love you. So what are you waiting for? Jump on that AI and tech wave and ride it straight to the top. With a little creativity and a whole lot of hustle, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. All right, next up, we're diving into a niche that's close to everyone's heart, health and wellness. Let's be real. We all want to feel good, look good, and live our best lives, right? And guess what? People are turning to YouTube in droves for advice, inspiration, and that extra push to crush their wellness goals. So how can you tap into this booming trend? Easy. Start by thinking about your own passions and experiences. Are you a fitness fanatic who loves trying out new workouts? Maybe you're a master chef in the making, whipping up healthy meals that taste like a cheat day. Or perhaps you're all about that mindfulness and meditation vibe, spreading peace and positivity wherever you go. Whatever your jam, there's an audience out there just waiting to connect with your story. You could create killer workout routines for beginners, share delicious and nutritious recipes that won't break the bank, or even guide people through relaxing meditation sessions. But here's the thing, it's not just about the information, it's about the energy you bring to the table. Be that positive, uplifting force that people need in their lives. Share your own struggles and triumphs, be vulnerable, and show them that it's okay to not be perfect. Remember, people connect with people, not robots. So let your personality shine through, crack a few jokes, and don't be afraid to get real about the ups and downs of the health and wellness journey. And hey, why not take it a step further? Challenge yourself to try a new workout routine, document your progress, and inspire others to join you on the journey. You could even team up with local fitness studios or health food businesses to offer exclusive discounts to your viewers. The key is to get creative, have fun, and always put your audience first. Remember, you're not just creating content, you're building a community of like-minded individuals who are all striving to live their healthiest and happiest lives. So what are you waiting for? Grab your workout gear, whip out that blender, and let's get this health and wellness party started. All right, let's talk about saving the planet, one YouTube video at a time. Sustainable living is more than just a trend, it's a movement, a way of life, and a massive opportunity for you to make a real difference while growing your channel. Think about it. People are waking up to the environmental challenges we're facing, and they're hungry for solutions, tips, and inspiration to live a more eco-friendly life. That's where you come in, my friend. Imagine this, you create a channel dedicated to showing people how easy and affordable it is to make sustainable choices. You could share simple DIY projects for upcycling old clothes, test out and review eco-friendly products, or even document your journey towards zero-waste living. And the best part? You don't need to be a sustainability expert to make an impact. Start small, share your own journey, and be honest about the challenges you face along the way. People will appreciate your authenticity and relate to your experiences. Here's a thought. Why not turn your passion for sustainability into a fun challenge? Challenge yourself to go a week without using single-use plastic, try out a new plant-based recipe every day, or even organize a community cleanup event and document the whole thing. Remember, people love a good challenge, and it's a great way to make your content more engaging and shareable. Plus, who knows, you might even inspire others to take action in their own lives. And hey, don't be afraid to get creative and collaborate. Team up with local businesses, environmental organizations, or even other YouTubers in the sustainable living space. The more you network and collaborate, the more exposure you'll get for your channel. So what are you waiting for? Grab your reusable water bottle, hop on that sustainability train, and let's show the world that living a more eco-friendly life can be fun, affordable, and totally awesome. So there you have it. 3 killer YouTube trends that are guaranteed to blow up in 2024. Remember, the most important thing is to be passionate, be creative, and be yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, have fun. And hey, once you start raking in those views and subscribers, don't forget to give back. Use your platform to make a difference, support causes you believe in, and spread positivity like confetti. Now go out there, crush it, and show the world what you're made of. I'm rooting for you.